Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen multitasking on Motorola Moto G10. So first of all, we're gonna have to open one of the applications that we want to use for the split screen mode, and then open the recent view. So either swipe the application up or tap on the recent icon. Then tap on your apps icon and tap split screen, and then select or open the other application that you want to split your screen with. For example, photos. And now to change the size of each window on your screen, you can use this bar between the applications. Now to leave just one application on your screen, you have to basically expand another one. Then if you want to leave the split screen mode, you just have to open the recent view and leave it. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.